Hey, welcome back to part 2 of the unboxing review of this knife. Don't know why my camera cuts out on me. I hate this camera and this memory card I'm using. But anyway, like I said, anyone that knows what EDP is, let me know in the comments. So it says, yeah. Legendary M16 knife. Where were we here? EDP blade finish. Built for corrosive resistance. A frame lock for safety. The Carson foot deployment system. A triple point insulated. It's almost more than you need. Almost. I like how they keep saying almost. So here's everything about it. I like how they kind of laid this out in kind of order. Where you have 1, 2. Well, it almost goes in order. You have 1, 2, then you have 3, then 4. I've seen a lot of knife companies when they say, our knife has like 20 gazillion tools in it. It's 1, it's 4, it's 10, it's 27, it's 6. It's like, come on, can't you just put them in order like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, you know, make like 2 columns of rows telling you, and have the little arrows point to the tools in that order? No, it's like all over the place. So it says versatile 2-position clip here for the belt clip. Well, I guess pocket clip. I don't know if you can see this on camera. You know, the specifics of the blade length. Close, open, weight, handle. Style, it's a folded knife with flame lock. And all that good stuff. I'm not seeing... Oh, well, there is a website here. It says online at CRKT.com, and then there's a phone number. Link down below in the description there. So let's get this knife opened up. Take a look at it. And kind of do some comparisons. So it's actually kind of small in my hands, to be honest with you. It's really dinky in my hands. Like, it is small. I mean, the package is a little bit more beefier. And it feels really light. I mean, I do like where it has the name on there, where it has the name on the handle of the company, and it also has, you know, the serial design of this one. You know what I mean? But if you're like, oh yeah, this knife is, you know, this, I think it's called Quaint. I don't know, I'm just going to say CRKT. I never really heard this company before, but the knife looked kind of cool. So if you're like, oh yeah, it's this knife, and they're like, what model of design is this? And you're like, I don't know. It's just, you know, a knife from that company. Like how a lot of knives are. I like when knife company not only puts their name on there, with this one's branded on both the pocket clip, well, yeah, it's, and on this side of the blade. But I like how the other side of the blade also tells you it's the M16-10KSF. That's pretty nice. But yeah, like I said, I don't know what they mean by triple point. Like I said, way up here is point 1 that I can see. Down here is point 2. But where the head's the third point? Like, here's the way it is. Feeling it? It does not feel sharp. I mean, you definitely are going to need a knife sharpener for this. At least for the part that you're going to use the most to cut things with. As far as this little blade up here, it is kind of sharp. And it is pointy. But this one, dull, and all of this is dull. Even this, I don't know, feels kind of dull. I know you're not supposed to stab pieces of wood with your knife, but I'm going to because, hey, I want to know if I'm buying a knife. If I'm going to use it for my EDC, is it something that I really want to carry on me as part of my EDC? You know? I mean, it's stabbing little holes in the pieces of wood. And let me take a look at this in the light. It looks like the blade's still fine and pointy. So, I like that. I had some other blades. I did that. I didn't go in as deep or as hard or as fast. And they chip and dent it. So this thing's holding up pretty good, I guess. Let's see if we can get some little saw action going on here. The saw, not that much. Maybe for paracord. Now, how do we close this? I guess we just push inward on the side like a weather frame lock. And that's how we close it. So you do know that it does have two little thumb studs right there. But how you open it? Like that. And then I guess you're supposed to use the thumb stud and completely open it like that. Or what I'm guessing you could do is kind of foot it out like this and then use the bat to do that, which is what I'll probably do instead of using the little thumb stud up there. I'll just use this little part to completely open it. I mean, it opens okay-ish. I have no problems when you're closing it. So, yeah. This one, I don't know. I probably would just leave this one as is. You know, sharpen the blade, but what I mean as is. On other knives I had, it's like quick deploy or, you know, kind of almost a switch blade where it had like a little button or a switch to kind of get them out faster. Usually what I like to do is take the little screw and unscrew it to loosen it up so that you can actually deploy it fast, and this would actually flip out like this without actually having to have my thumb anywhere on there. But yeah, this one, it actually feels okay, to be honest with you. Now, like I said, I'm going to compare it with some other knives here. Now, to be honest with you, this knife here kind of looks almost the same as this one. I mean, if you look at the handles look like identical handles. The 3 holes here, the 3 holes here, the 2 holes on the sides and between the 3 holes, all colored oxidized black and stuff. The blades, even the belt clips, well, pocket clips look the same. Yeah, they look the same, but it's this one, as we know, which is made by Gilsman. This was their optative one. You have to actually push that down, and then have that, and which, yeah. Well, this one is a little bit more like that. Definitely different blades, but you can see the blades almost look the same, identical one. And by having the words kind of blurred here, they do look the same, but let's kind of, as you can see, 2 different brands here. Very nice. Now this one I had a long time. This is my #1 EDC carry knife. I mean, yeah, you could tell that here it's kind of got real loose on me. I loosened this screw up, so I could just go and almost make this as a quick deploy, almost a switchblade, but it's not a switchblade because you still have to use your thumb. But just loosen up a little bit with a little foot to twist, it opens up. Let's see if we can get that on camera here. So just have the thumb on the thumb stud, and let's get it going here good, and just like that, and it come out. I really like this one. I love the feel of this one. This is who makes it, which is Apache Trail. It's a stainless steel one. The blade got a little scratched up because I used it on my skateboard to get that grip tape off. You know, on a skateboard. It still holds up nice and strong. It's still sharp and pointy. I mean, look at that. It almost stays right in there. And then it comes out. The tip, strong. I love this blade. But I'm kind of looking for a new EDC blade to carry. Because like I said, this one I had a really long time since high school. So I had this one about, I don't know, maybe like 15 or more years. Yeah, it's been up there in time frame. But like I said, this is really loose right back here, so it's time for me to switch it out. I kind of like this one. To feel it feels a lot good and beefy. But I don't know. I kind of like this one because of the design. But now that I feel this one, it's a little too small, as I would say. So maybe I'll go with this one. Although I'm kind of afraid that this one will get caught up on things. Because of right here, which almost looks like a gut hood. But that's actually a built-in bottle opener. I kind of want something that's a little bit more streamlined-ish. That's, not going to get caught on anything. My headset, my belt, my shirt, anything like that. This one, I know it would stick out a little bit, but it's still going to be a little bit more than this one. Other than that, I guess I'll just wear this one till, the pocket clip comes off. But like I said, side by side, these two look exactly the same. Just, this one's bigger, this one's smaller. But like I said, it's kind of odd. The same color blades, the same color and design on the handles. The 3 holes, the 2 holes going across. It's kind of freaky how they look the same, but they're not. But yeah, that's been a little bit of a review of the CRKT M16-10KSF pocket knife. Remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, hit that like button, and leave a comment down below. Alright, thanks, bye.